Hey everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. Today is a pretty exciting task in my opinion. I love cleaning and I love organizing and I love getting rid of things. And honestly, this beauty organization, product organization is so long overdue. But I thought today would be the perfect day for a couple reasons. Number one, I had a free afternoon, so here we are filming. And number two, tomorrow's trash day. So anything that I cannot donate or don't want or have to get rid of or is expired or any of that fun stuff can just go right in the trash, which I know isn't the best, most probably eco-friendly way to do some of these things, but I kind of feel like that's the only option with opened and or expired beauty products. If I'm wrong, please let me know. Please let all of us know if there's a better way to get rid of expired and opened beauty, skincare, makeup, etc. products, but I just don't know of a better way right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a towel down on the bed so that I don't get our white bedding dirty, and then kind of walk you through the process of what we're doing. Okay, don't judge me for this section of the video. Wanted to show you a very dramatic before. So this is currently about probably half of beauty slash kind of personal wellness products. We also have quite a few in our bathroom that we have not yet renovated because, bathrooms take a lot of money to do. So yeah, this is ones that I use on a frequent basis. We're still gonna clean them out. I do have some obviously in here, some downstairs in a cabinet, so I'm just gonna pull everything out, put it on our bed, and we'll see what happens. I am admittedly a little bit out of breath. Whew. Okay, these are all my upstairs products. Yay! I have my work cut out for me. Okay, I wanted to point a couple things out because I thought of it as I was clearing things out. Where did it go? Okay, guys, if you have heard anything about this brand, Drunk Elephant, ooh, focus, there we go. They sent me this in a little PR package, which was really, really sweet at the beginning of summer. I will have to say this is probably the worst product I've ever tried. It's sticky, it does not absorb, and I absolutely hate it. So don't get this. Yeah, that's all. Okay, I am now going to organize this probably by, okay, first I am just going to go through the products that have expired, that I do not use, and that I do not want to keep. We'll go from there. I should probably get another towel. Thus far, this is what I am getting rid of. So this was actually a set of products that was sent to me probably 4 years ago now. Pretty much completely full. So, I mean, I didn't mind the products. They were fine. I just don't reach for them. And I have other hair masks and such, so they're going away. These are some more hair items that were fine. They were great, kind of travel sized, pretty much empty, so they're going away. These are two brushes that just, I clean them and they get stiff and kind of, I don't know, very weird. So yeah, they're going away. Like I said, worst product in the world. This is almost empty. These two guys are expired. Well, no, okay, I just got this one. Did not like it. Again, made my face look like it just had been drenched in water. So gross. This one, pretty sure it's expired. Also very, very matte. Didn't love it. And then this is trash. So, I don't know. I feel like it's pretty good progress. Now we're gonna tackle this. status update thus far. On this little rolly guy, we have face products, so like hydrating waters, cleansing waters, scrubs, toners, and then some moisturizers that I don't use often. These two guys back here are both hair products. This one is turning into a bit of miscellaneous, so we have some skincare products here. This is my makeup brush cleanser. This is a face mask, some essential oils, and then like a little hair dude. So yeah, this is what I have. I did put a few more things over here that I found. Don't absolutely love this cleanser, so I am gonna get rid of that one. The same with this guy. A primer that I don't love, and then a foundation that is in the wrong color. So just a little bit more to go. Okay guys, here is the final to get rid of pile. Yay, things that I do not need, no longer use, don't want, expired, out of date, blah, blah, blah. And then this is our newly organized beauty cupboard. I was gonna say pantry, but I guess it's not really a pantry. Closet, beauty closet, yay! So much more organized now. Oops. There we go. We have skincare products up here. Like I said, there's moisturizers, toners, cleansers, etc., scrubs. Tried, tested, true, whatever anybody says about products that I love. These are all my hair tools. I didn't realize I had 2 hair dryers, so now I'm just keeping the one that I love, which is this little T3 mini guy right here. And then down we have a few more hair products, a little bit of random here and random in the back, but I can see what they are kind of from above, so I don't have to go rummaging. These are all like little like hair ribbons and things. Might find a better place for that, I don't know. These are products that have not been opened, but I am interested in trying them out. We have lip products, chapsticks, etc., hair, and then hair. So, and then in the bathroom here, and then under as well, all cleaned out. Good to go. So thanks so much for joining me on this video. If you like this sort of thing, leave me a comment, like, subscribe, do all the things that people, I guess, on YouTube tell you to do. I'm going to go get this sorted and in the trash can, and I'll see you guys next time.